Wancho! Yay! Wancho! Hi guys! We're here at the airport and we're going to Hong Kong. So yun guys, so we're going to Hong Kong. This is a family trip. This is a trip with my in-laws. Wedding anniversary ng aking parents-in-law and they're treating us sa isang trip sa Hong Kong and we're going to Disneyland. And so bali dalawang hotels, no? We're going to Disneyland Hotel and we're also going to Marco Polo in Tsim Sha Tsui. So 2 nights kami in Disneyland Hotel and then 2 nights in Marco Polo. And yeah, so join me. I'll share the details of all the expenses, but yung mga pre-travel arrangements, everything that we pre-booked before the flight, I'm gonna share it with you later on. So yun lang guys, join us as we go to Hong Kong. Are now in Hong Kong. We just landed and we're gonna go to passport control immigration. Wancha! Say hi! Namin yung mga kasama namin kasi waiwalay kami. Some are flying Cathay Pacific, tapos kami Air Asia. So magkikita muna kami sa immigration and then we're gonna transfer to the city. Sa Disneyland kami diretso kasi dun kami sa Disneyland Hotel naka-check-in. So yun, 2 nights kami dun and then transfer kami sa city for the last 2 nights. Yan, meantime, my son and my husband are in the toilet. Hintayin ko lang sila guys. Ang arte kasi. Oh. It's Christmas time in Hong Kong. Let's go. Wancho. Hi. Kami sa train. The transfer baggage claim. And guys, so we're going to Disneyland. And the fastest way is by taxi. So, yun. Kukuha lang kami ng taxi dito. Actually, any taxi, whether red, green, or blue, pupunta naman yun sa Disneyland. Pinakamahal lang yung blue, yung Lantau taxi. So, any taxi, parang 5 Hong Kong lang naman yung difference. So, whichever taxi is available, yun na yung kukunin namin to go straight to Disneyland. Basta naman, naka-alpark ka dyan, natarayan lang tayo. Oh. Ang galing ni Wancho! Ka-cash na lang yung bill.
Kasi yung cash.
Do you have change for how much yung ano natin? You have change for 100? We don't have 50, we have 100.
Can you look the other way? An easy forgive and forget. I live for another day. No matter what you tell me.
ang ganda here in Disneyland. Wow, ang lamig na! Guys, we're here at Disneyland Hotel. Wow. First is the bathroom. I'm vlogging. This is the bathroom, guys. They have a tub. Watch out, there's a bathtub. Yay. Then this is our room. We got freebies, Nespresso, Bonaqua, bottled water. Then let's open this up. Oh, uy, they have cute Mickey Mouse, Mickey and Minnie cups, a safe, a ref, and then mugs for your coffee, and coffee and tea provisions for free. And then this is the room. We got 2 double beds. One is Wancho's, one is mine. Kishan, dyan ka na sa tabi ni Wancho. Si Wancho sa isa. Oh, look at the painting! Wancho, look at the painting! It's Mickey and Friends! So cute! And guys, we have a veranda. The veranda opens up to the pool. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng pool. Hello, ang ganda. It's so pretty. Wancho, look at the pool. We have 2 outdoor chairs here. If you want to have coffee in the morning, you can just sit down here and have a view of the pool. Just drawers. Nothing. Ah! 7 dwarves. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa Disneyland Hotel inside Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. Kita nyo naman yung background. Ang ganda. Quick kwento, from the airport papunta dito, nag-Uber kami. So, we got the Uber XXL. And ano kasi kami? So, we're 1, 2, 3, 4 kami plus 1. So, 5 person. So, normally, sa XXL, kakasya na kami doon. Madami mga luggage kami. So, nagsikip ng konti. Yung ano pala, dito sa Hong Kong, every piece ng luggage ay may extra charge. So, kung regular taxi, sabi kasi kanina na nakausap ko from the tourism office sa airport, mag-charge sila ng $6 per luggage na bubuhati ng taxi driver, which is fine. Pero si Uber, tinaga kami at kinargahan kami ng 50 Hong Kong dollars. Ang aming dalang maleta ay 4. So, parang na-overcharge kami. Tsaka nainis din ako kasi yung umpisa, sabi ay $15, 1.5. Nung nagpabayad na kami, 50 na. Sinuklian lang kami ng 50. Pwedeng nagkamali lang, but either way, nakakaano. Alam mo dito sa Hong Kong kasi hindi naman sa pag-ano. Yung Uber, pagkadating pa lang, humihinga na siya ng malalim. Pubuntong hininga na siya. Nakita niya na 5 kami plus luggage. Parang, alam mo yun, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan mo pa ba siyang puntahan ulit. Kung talagang ini-enjoy lang namin kasi nga treat ito ng parents-in-law ko and masaya naman dahil kasama sila. But talaga this place, ang hirap siya for tourists. Para siyang yung experience mo, hindi ka ba parang maa-at home or makakampante na someone, parang locals will help you. Parang dito, feel mo, aawayin ka. Ganun yung feeling. Anyways guys, lalabas kami. We're going to Citygate Outlets. Tomorrow pa kayo mag-Disneyland. So yun lang. See you guys later. Guys, lalabas muna kami. Dito na kami sa mismong 3rd floor. Yung lobby is dito sa 3rd. Pwede tayo lang tumambay mamaya. Ito, may parang veranda, guys. So, yan. Ito, this way to the lobby na to. Diretso lang. This is the lobby. This is where you check in. This is the lobby with the Christmas tree. And we're gonna go out Okay, out. Guys, dito kami sa loob ng taxi. And yay, they have a parang POS na card. You can pay by card or cash. We're going to Citygate Outlets. Okay, ride a taxi. Let's go inside. Yeah. To me. Boss. Oh, boss. Si Boy Boss. Armani. This Ferragamo. And then I don't know where to go. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Citygate at sa Genki Sushi kami ulit kakain. Dahil hindi nakakain ng aming anak. So, hinahanapan namin siya ng restaurant kung saan siya makakakain ng marami. Yan ang masarap na noodle soup. Like, ayan, yan. Anyways, we're going to Gubne. Korean oven fried chicken. Mga ganyan, no?
Ayan, mancha.
So kami guys, sa Gubne. This is a Korean chain. We got the half-half. Ito, half-half. So, i-scan nyo lang yung QR code. But Coca-Cola, no sugar. It's and 2-minute beer. Cass. So, also got Caesar salad because I am on a diet. This is the half-half, original one, and the honey mellow, and the famous condiments. Yeah, guys, that's where we had dinner. Okay, we're gonna walk now. So here is the food opera at the 6th floor of Citygate Outlets. There you go, guys. That's the food opera. Dito lang yata 6th floor. Mga walang 7-Eleven sa Disneyland. Hanap tayo ng makakain dito sa Disneyland. Sa Disneyland. Sa 7-Eleven. Okay. Golden bees. And the water bees. One sholi ka. Bili tayo nito. Chips. Tomato. This is $14.50. One sholi. You want some cookies? Kaya ba yan? May lalagyan naman tayo. Bigat lang. Si Wancho dito. Dito lang. Wancho. Wow, they got double choco chip. See? Si cake. Ay, ito yung masarap eh. Ito yung masarap, di ba? That's yummy. It's a bun. It's a layer cake. I don't know what to get. At the Tongchong station. Guys, we're gonna go home from Tongchong Citygate Outlets to Disneyland Resort. Hi! Ito yung Disneyland Resort. We're now in Tongchong and we're going up. Ang haba rin nung nung dinaanan natin. 3 to Disneyland Resort. So we're going to Disneyland Resort. Ayan na. So yan yung tracks ng Tongchong Station. Guys, ang lapit lang nito. Sobrang lapit nitong Tongchong sa airport. Kaya kung pupunta kayo ng Hong Kong, mauna na kayo sa Citygate Outlets. Kasi lapit nun sa airport eh. Going down, no? Ay, sige, go. And then, this time, lumipat, bababa naman. Ayan. Ito yung magandang trend, no? Na Disneyland. And, here we are! The Disneyland Resort. Ayan na. Meron hanggang 12 midnight. The Sunny Bay Station. And yan, ito na yung sinasakyan yan. Pink na yan. Pink line. That's the Disneyland Resort. Yung kabila naman doon, pupunta kayo sa Tungchong. Going that way. Okay. Ayan na, guys. Hintayin na lang tayo ng tren. Nga guys, no? Nakikita nyo. Dito tayo ngayon sa Sunny Bay. Yun. So today, sobrang tagal ng aming ng aming biyahe din. Disneyland Hotel, ang hirap kumain sa restaurant. So dumating kami para mga 12. Hindi kami makapunta sa kahit anong restaurant without a reservation. So we had to reserve on the same day. So 1:30 pa yung available na table for our group size na 13 people kami. So 1:30 pa kami nakapag-lunch bago pa naka-order. So mga 2 o'clock pa, 2:20 kami nakakain. Tapos sakto, nung mag-check-in at check-in time is 3 p.m. Hindi pa ready yung rooms. So we had to wait pa mga 15 minutes before na ready yung room. So parang a long day. So umalis kami sa atin ng 8:35. By the time we were able to get into our room, magpo 4 p.m. na. It's really long, a long day. So yun lang guys, we're just waiting for the train. It will arrive in 4 minutes. So 4 minutes. Kita na dyan. Disneyland Resort, 4 minutes. Disneyland train is here! Woo! It's a Mickey Mouse train. Guys. Right. And then we gotta sit down. Yay! Sit down, Mancho. Isa din nakaupo ka. Para picturean ka dyan. Guys. Diba? It's a Disneyland train. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Disneyland train. So, imagine mo kung araw to. Hindi ka makakuha ng ganitong clip. Watch out. Look at me.
大家有请预备听迪士尼站，祝大家有奇妙的一天。
Disneyland Hong Kong. Doon ang shuttle eh. Also tomorrow we'll go back. At dahil dito kami naka-check-in sa Disneyland Hotel, eto, pupunta kami sa sakay ng shuttle bus here in Disneyland Park. So yan, dun lang naman yun. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Pinaka-sign, diba, ng Disneyland Resort. Tapos eto yung MRT. So this is the way to the shuttle. Yan lang. Okay, let's go. Ito pala, they operate from 7 a.m. until 12 midnight. Tapos they depart mga, siguro intervals 10 to 15 minutes. So yan. Sana malapit na yung bus para hindi na kami masyadong mag-abang. Ayan na. Let's go. Here is the bus going to the city. But if you're checked in sa Disneyland Hotel, turn left. So this way. Naalala ko na, dito tayo nag-rent ng parang stroller before. Dito kami nag-rent ng stroller. Ayan. So dito yung bus going to Disneyland Hotel. This side, yeah. I remember this. So this side is the free shuttle within Disneyland Resort. And then that side is the city buses late. So yan, dito na tayo. Let's go. Wow. So this is the shuttle. So yan guys, 10 to 15 minutes to frequency. And we're now going up. So yun guys, we're already here inside the bus. Ang bilis! So ito guys, diba yun yung city buses. So dito na kami ngayon sa bus. Then may isang bus ulit sa unahan. Ayan na. Ang bilis. We're back guys. We're back in the hotel. Guys, we're back here at the hotel. Ito na tayo sa room natin. Okay, ang ganda. O siya, tara na. Let's go to the room. Guys, diba kanina, dire-diretso lang tayo. So, ganun. Hindi na tayo mag-elevator. Same floor na yung room natin. Hi guys. So, nakapag-shower na. Ay, wait lang. Alisin ko lang to. Pag-shower na kami. And evening snacks while watching TV. Sorry guys, pakita ko yung room at sobrang kalat lang. And Ang snacks naman ay ito lang. Hi-ho lang galing sa atin. At saka ito, binili namin sa 7-Eleven. Tomato, potato chips. Yan, kain tayo. Ito pa pala guys. Masarap to ha. Yung iced tea na to, masarap. BLT. Yan. Let's eat. I'll be ending the vlog here muna guys kasi magiging mahaba siya kapag isinama ko yung buong day namin in Disneyland Resort. So yan guys, abangan nyo ang part 2 ng ating Hong Kong vlogs. Dadalhin ko naman kayo sa loob mismo ng Disneyland theme park. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!